Let me tell you something about Mercury. In the order of the planets, it's the first you see. It's the closest to the big fat sun, and I still cannot believe it's the hottest one. Let me tell you a little something about Mercury. It's also called the planet of extreme. With days so hot and nights so cold, it can't be home to a living soul. This planet has a place in a space 36 million miles away from the sun, the smallest planet in the solar system, but you want to believe how much it weighs, 38 sextillion ton, with no moon in the sky at night and nothing to give it some light. It's so dark. Venus, second planet from the sun. Temperature-wise, you're the hottest one. You're called the morning and evening star, our next-door neighbor, and you're not too far. You're named for the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It's mighty dark in the middle of your moonless night. Venus, in the time it takes for you to rotate, the Earth has seen more than 200 days. And your day is longer than a year. You think you are awesome, but that is weird. Hey Venus, you are so fly, shining bright in our sky. Planet Earth, third rock from the sun. It's the only with a bunch of life, because there ain't no place like planet Earth. 93 million miles from the sun, it is the planet we are on. Planet Earth is rocky. For life to exist on planet Earth, the right type of atmosphere is a must. Every 24 hours the Earth rotates, and this is how we get our night and day. It is teeming with life, from the fish in the sea to the birds in the sky. Planet Mars, fourth planet from the sun, among the stars. I can't think of nothing for these 4 bars. Mars is 142 million miles from the sun. Planet Mars is the most researched one. It's called the red planet, and its color comes from the dust that is made from iron oxide. Mars has seasons like planet Earth. Fifth planet from the sun in our solar system, Jupiter, is our biggest one. Jupiter, the first gas giant. Jupiter, it's also a stormy planet. Jupiter, it has a great red spot. Jupiter, storms happen there a lot. It's 484 million miles away from the sun. It's called the king of the planets. Jupiter, its days are 10 hours long. Jupiter and all of its moons could make a solar system on their own. What's the planet with the beautiful rings? Saturn. It is beautiful, with an elaborate network of 7 large rings. They each have an orbit of different speed. They are made of dust and ice. It is oftentimes called the jewel of space. The Romans named Saturn for the god of agriculture. What is the 7th planet from the sun? Uranus, tilted at 98 degrees. This caused quite a bit of unique activity. When one of its poles faces the sun, just one of its days is 42 years long, named for the Greek god of the sky. I'm Neptune. I'm lost. It's not really fun. Now I'm the farthest, so far from the sun. I don't want to be lost, to bring up the rear. Pluto was lost, but she disappeared. I don't want to be lost. There used to be 9, but now number 8 is the end of the line. Last for dessert, last for my snack, last for my dinner, unless Pluto comes back. I don't want to be lost. It's never too fun. My name is Neptune. I'm 8th from the sun.